Design criteria of sewers. As sewage contains 99.9% liquid and 0.1% solid, its design is similar to water supply pipes, but the flow takes place under gravity. The following are the design criteria for sewer section. A मा छ के छ त भन्दाखेरि sewage quantity. Determine the quantity of sanitary sewage and storm sewage considering suitable design period and future population. Normally, 25 to 30 years is considered for design period. Population forecast as described in water supply engineering and estimated quantity of sanitary and storm sewage is done as described in sanitary engineering. B मा छ sewerage system. Separate, combined and partially separate system is required to select. Generally, separate system is considered in the design. For separate system, design is done separately for QSA and QST. For combined system, only one sewer is designed, considering both QSA and QST. For partially separate system, storm water only from roof, pavement and yards are with QSA in one sewer and other storm water is drained separately. C मा छ type and shape of sewer. The closed type of sewer is used for sanitary sewage and may be opened for storm flow. Generally, circular shaped sewer is used for closed sewer and rectangular sewer is used for open sewer. D मा छ sewer size range. Sewer size should not be less than 15 cm in diameter, but recommended is 20 cm. The maximum available size is 3 meter. E मा छ sewer gradient. The sewer gradients are selected as per site condition. The minimum gradient should be such that self-cleansing velocity is achieved and the maximum gradient should be such that velocity doesn't exceed to non-scouring velocity. Minimum gradient should be 1% and maximum gradient should be 5%, that is 1:20. त्यसै गरी F मा छ sewers are designed to flow half to two-third full at peak or maximum discharge. The sufficient freeboard is used in open storm drains. G मा छ self-cleansing velocity. It is the minimum velocity at which solid particles will remain in suspension without settling at the bottom of sewer. The design velocity of flow should not be less than self-cleansing velocity at peak flow. यसै गरी it is normally 0.6 to 0.9 meter per second for separate system and 0.75 meter per second for combined system. Self-cleansing velocity is found by Schilt's formula. Vs equals to root over 8k divided by f gs minus 1 g into ds unit meter per second, where k equals to a dimensionless constant depends upon characteristics of solid and taken as 0.04 to 0.8. F equals to Darcy's friction factor taken as 0.03. Gs equal to specific gravity of solids in sewage ranges 1.2 to 2.65. G equals to acceleration due to gravity. ds equals to diameter of solid particles in sewage, which is in meter. Self-cleansing velocity for different diameter of sewers are for the diameter ranges from 15 to 25 centimeter. Self-cleansing velocity is 1 meter per second. Similarly, 30 to 60 self-cleansing velocity 0.75 and greater than 60 centimeter self-cleansing velocity is 0.6 meter per second. Second H मा छ non-scouring or limiting or maximum velocity of flow. It is the maximum velocity at which no scour or abrasion of sewer takes place. For general design, maximum velocity should not be greater than 3 meter per second is taken. It depends upon type of inner material to seaware. के हुन्छ त अर्थनवेयर मेटेरियल भयो भने 0.6 to 1.2 हुन्छ लिमिटिङ भेलोसिटी. त्यसै ब्रिक लाइन्ड भयो भने 1.2 to 2.5. स्टोनवेयर भयो भने 3 to 4.5. कास्ट आइरन भयो भने 3.5 to 4.5. सिमेन्ट कन्क्रिट भयो भने 2.5 to 3 मिटर पर सेकेन्ड.